In this video, I'm going to show you how to add keywords and metadata in Adobe Bridge. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to open Adobe Bridge and of course your folder where you have your images, photos, whatever. And then you want to first enable the two windows. So to do this, go to Window up top. And from here, you want to click on Keywords. So there's a check mark next to it and they pop up over here on the right. And then you also want to do the same for metadata. Now, as you can see, you now have metadata and keywords over here. And by default, it's going to be a small box like down here, so make sure you actually click here in between and then drag it up like this so it's a bit bigger and easier to see and navigate, okay? So that's the first thing you have to do. And whenever you do this, you want to select your image or whatever where you want to add keywords and metadata. So I'm going to click on this one, for example. And then from here, if I go to keywords, I can assign different keywords. So I have different ones like events over here. I have like people, places, etc. I can just go and click anywhere and the keywords are going to get assigned. If you want to add custom ones, simply click on this button over here, which is the new keyword, and of course name it whatever. So I'm going to name this one C, and I'm going to just press the enter key, and there we go. C is gonna get checked over here, and of course you can uncheck it if you want to as well. And you can then go and add more keywords, or of course you can add new sub keyword by clicking over here and typing it in. Okay, so for example, I'm going to type in for example blue, and then I'm going to make another one which here is going to be like ocean, okay, something like this. Of course you can then go ahead and put on all these different keywords inside your images, okay? That's the first way to do it. Now, if you want to add metadata, you want to click on metadata over here, and this is where you can add your metadata as well. So if you scroll down, you can see you can put in the creators, a bunch of different things regarding creators, headlines, descriptions, keywords. There's a bunch of different things you can do. So just keep on scrolling down, and whatever metadata you want to add in here, you can do it inside here, okay? So it's super simple. That's how you can do it. That's the easiest way. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.